today we are going to be making honey chili potato. So for that I have taken here two medium sized potato chopped like fingers, like how you make for french fries. And here I have like a quarter cup of corn flour, quarter cup of maida. If you going through the process, if you require more, then we can add. And I have here like around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili paste, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, and here I have 1 green chili chopped finely, and then 2 garlic cloves chopped. And here I have like 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon honey. And 1 small onion chopped, like I have sliced it, so if you want you can add it, otherwise it's fine. And here I have 1 capsicum chopped. So let's get started. First I'm going to add the potatoes into the bowl, and we are going to add the corn flour, and maida, so based on how many potatoes you take, you can add accordingly. Now we are going to add red chili paste, not adding a lot, just a little. Mix it and add the red chili powder, little bit, like according to the potatoes. And then ginger garlic paste, little bit, not a lot. And then salt. And we are going to mix this well until it's coated evenly and properly. We have coated this, so now we are going to fry this. Now I am going to add oil to our pan. Add enough oil so that it gets coated. Sorry, it gets fried. Now we are going to fry this one by one so that it doesn't stick to each other. Fry it until it gets cooked partially, maybe around 5 to 6 minutes, but not more than that. We don't want to have it cooked all the way through, just partially fry it. So now it's done. So I'm going to take this out, and we are going to transfer this to a plate with tissue so that the oil gets absorbed. If it gets cooked faster for you, then you can take it out sooner, depending on the stuff and the heat. So now we have fried everything partially, so I'm going to cover this with another tissue so that it absorbs all the oil and it cools also. So we don't want excess oil on it. So while we keep this aside, we are going to start making the batter. First I am adding maida. Now I'll add the corn flour, salt. Add salt little because previously you have already added, and then pepper. Mix it, and then now I am going to add the water. Make sure it has no lumps. this is the consistency we need. So now the batter is ready. Now we are going to add the partially fried potatoes into the batter. And we are going to coat this well. Don't mash it, like coat it like gently, otherwise the potatoes will get mashed. So now we have coated it, so now we are going to deep fry this again with the coating. We are going to add this again one by one, like how we did before, so it doesn't stick to each other. Now we are going to fry this well. It's fried well now, so I am going to take it out. It has a light brown color to it. We have fried the potatoes and we have kept. Now we are going to start making the sauce. We're going to add oil. Let the oil heat. I'm adding the garlic and chili and I'm sauteing it. Saute it well, like until it turns brown. Just fry it in the oil. Now we are going to add the onions. Now it has turned brown, so I'm going to add the capsicums in. Add salt. Now we are going to add the chili paste. Soy sauce, vinegar, honey, one teaspoon honey. Now we are going to add a little bit of water into this. And cornflour slurry little bit. We are going to mix this well until it thickens. Now it has thickened, so I am going to add the potatoes. And we are going to mix this well. So that it gets coated well. Now our honey chili potato is done, so I am going to turn off the heat and I am going to transfer this. Our honey chili potato is now ready. Thank you for watching. Do try this recipe out and let us know if you like this recipe. Do share and subscribe to watch more of our yummy videos. Bye bye.